Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super cute, super simple low ponytail hairstyle. All right, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Yes. All right guys, let's get right into this. Hey guys, so my hair is already washed, prepped, and blow dried. Yes. First, I'm just going to section my hair from ear to ear, as you can see. Okay, given that I don't have a mirror in front of me and behind me, I need to do this my way. So it's definitely not going to be super straight, but just bear with your girl. Just bear with me. So I'm just going to section this, and then I'm going to be working with the lower part of my hair, the lower section. So first I'm going to use a mirror. Let me just quickly use a mirror to do a quick check. Yes, yeah, it looks good. It's okay. So now I'm going to hold the upper part and just put that away. Then I'm working with Eco Gel and Vexi Styling Gel today. So first I'm just going to go in with my Eco Gel at the back. You want to apply that, and then I'm just going to hold that into a ponytail. You want to keep your ponytail really low because that's where the magic is. Okay, yes. So after that I'm just going to add more hair to my low ponytail. Okay, like I'm just having fun with this hairstyle, guys. It's super simple and so cute. I'll just go in again with my Eco Gel, as you can see, and I'm just going to secure that with my rubber bands while making sure that both sides look even. Yeah, it looks cute. So once this is done, you don't want it too tight. Be really careful about that. And now I'll just go in to get my center line. Okay, I always use my center line, be it for slanted partings or whatever I want to do, be by the side or be just slanting. I always start with the center line. Okay, now once this is done, I'm just going to secure this left side and put that away, and I'll start working with my right side. So I'll go in with my edge control. Woo! We have to keep these edges in check. I don't want to lose my edges, guys. I love my edges. So I go with my edge control first, and after that I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit. This really helps with my styling. So once I do that, I'm just going to section it again from my temple. Oh, not from my temple, from the back to my temple. Okay, so once this is done, I'm just going to get it into two smaller parts. Okay, first I'll go in with my gel, my Vexi gel again. For me, I don't need a lot of it, so I just put a little because I will be twisting, so I don't need so much gel. And I'm just going to part that into two halves, as you can see. Yeah, this hairstyle is coming out cute, yo. Yeah, so once that is done, you just apply some gel, you go with your rubber band, and then you twist. Guys, my camera stopped recording, so I was already halfway gone. Let me just quickly show you what you're supposed to do. Now, after you section into smaller sections, you will just apply some gel. Okay, first let me secure this part, and then you apply some gel. Once you do that, you just use your rubber band and secure that. Okay, once it's secured, you twist, and that's it. Okay, so you can either twist or braid. 3 strands braiding, 2 strands twisting. I love to twist because it's so easy for me to undo them. So that's just it. I love this hairstyle. These are simple, super simple protective hairstyles that you can try. at any given time. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and actually just let me know if this helps you or if you actually tried it. So if you tried it at home, please let me know, okay? And let me know if there is anything you want me to try, any kind of hairstyle or anything like that. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so now that we are done with the right side, let's move to the left. You want to section that from the back to your temple. I love to section mostly from the back. It just helps me get it straight. And then we do same thing. Once that pattern looks clean, we're just going to section it into two smaller sections. We're going with our gel, rubber band, and we twist. Yeah, this is it. Okay, now guys, I would like to remind you, please subscribe to my channel. You know you can watch something real good and real nice and you forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video, okay? And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and let me know if you actually try this hairstyle at home. And please drop your comments. I'll be so prompt to reply, okay? Yeah, let's get this twisting going. Let's go.
There's no time to be scared.
Yes, it's coming out good. It looks nice, right? So like I said, after sectioning, gel, rubber band, and twist. That's it. Super simple, right? Yeah, so let's do this. Ooh, girl, you're gonna be looking cute. You can do this at any time, any day, you know, just secure it and keep it looking cute. Guys, unfortunately my camera still stopped, so I had already gone all the way. So I just put out these two strands to show you what I've done, okay? So as you can see, everything is looking cute. Let me show you how I get that. You take the first strand, you attach it to the second strand, and you use your rubber band to secure that, okay? And after securing, what do you want to do? You want to twist both ends, okay? So after twisting both ends, it becomes one. Yeah, that's it. And now we'll just go in with our bobby pins, you know, to pin that in. There's going to be a lot of pinning with this hairstyle, so we're just going to secure the ends and use our pins to do that, okay? Yeah, girl, and this is how it looks. Yes. So I'm just quickly going to tie my hair. I always love to tie my hair, you know, it just lets everything sit properly and look neat and cute. So I'm just going to be using these two black bands and secure that and just let it be for some time. It depends on you. And I'll do my makeup and be right back. Yay! Don't I look cute? Yes, girl. So we're going with that gel, you know, to secure the edges a little bit, just make it look nice and cute. Oh, and yeah, girl, slay mama, slay, slay mama, slay. So I was just going with this ponytail hair that I got from Amazon. It's really cheap. It's about $15. That's 1,700 yen, if I'm not mistaken, with the current exchange rate. So it has hooks in it and a rubber band too. So I'm just going to use the hook first, pin that, okay, so it really holds well, and then I'll use the rubber band to tightly secure the ponytail. So once that is done, you want to check, make sure everything is looking good so it doesn't fall off. So once I'm sure that it's well secured, I'm just going to put out a little bit of hair. I'll take out a little bit of hair from the ponytail hair, and then I'm going to wet it. Okay, once I wet it, I'm going to oil it. Now after oiling it, I'm just going to twist. All right, I just want a beautiful crown at the back of my ponytail, so this is just going to do the magic for me. Once I twist it, I'm just going to use the rubber band to secure the end. All right, and then just place that crown there. Good, yeah, good. Okay, once that is done, I'll go in with my pin to secure that. No dancing, no bouncing hair, no jumping around. You need to keep it in place. So once that is secured, I'm just going to move forward. Okay, in case your hair doesn't seem right, you just need to retwist it and go in with your bobby pin and pin it back like I've just done. So that's it, and I think we're good to go. Yes, girl, we're good to go. It looks cute, it looks nice. Just a little brush here and there, and woo, girl, in this cute, like baby, yes. Okay, guys, we are ready to slay for the day in our protective hairstyle. Woo, this is super easy, guys. You should definitely try this out. Okay, it's worth it. It's worth it. See you in my next video. Mwah.